Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing really good today. I'm Margaret Marie and welcome to my channel. Now what I have for you in this video is a mascara tip. You're going to like this tip. This tip is going to help you make your mascara last a little bit longer, and it'll help it go on better and apply easier. Now I'm going to apply this Thrive mascara to this side, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. See, it's a little bit clumpy there. See how kind of clumpy that is, and it's just not applying as good as it did when I first got it. That is just lumpy and clumpy. Alright, so what do we do about it? Well, what I do is I just stick it right down here, right down there, and that will warm it up. So if you leave it in there while you're doing the rest of your makeup, by the time you are ready to do your mascara, it should be warmed and ready to go. What I'm going to do is leave it there, and I'm going to come back in about 4 minutes. Have this all nice and warmed up. It's nice and warm to the touch. All right, and let me show you the difference. All right. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Look at that. I think that this probably would have worked really well for my Mary Kay mascara. Isn't that just amazing what warm mascara will do? So you can put it in hot water, you can do that, but this is just easier. Look at the bottoms are on. There, I'm going to put it on this side. There. Maybe even go over this one a little bit, but look at the difference. Look how clumpy that is. It even made that stand up a little better. Yes, that is a great trick. Oh, look at that. You can see the difference. Just way better. Way better. All right, and you could see it as I was putting it on. It was going on way better too. So, all right, you guys, that's your tip, and I hope you liked it.